Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's summer, you know. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I maintain and wash and straighten my wigs. My hair is super brittle and super dry, and it's just not a good look. And plus, it's definitely time to do my hair. As you can tell, it's super dry, like I said. It just needs to be redone. So in this video, I'll be partnering with Foxy Bay Hair to show you how I straighten and take care of my wigs. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my Nature Lab shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to get my hair wet. I tend to wash my hair in the sink because it's just easier for me. But also, I'm going to be taking their shampoo. It is their perfect smooth shampoo, and I absolutely love it. I'm just going to massage it into the hair as you would your normal hair. Just get it all sudsy and clean. Also, when I am washing my hair, I do it twice. Like I shampoo, rinse until all like the dirt and sweat and stuff gets out. Then after I do that, I use the same Perfect Smooth conditioner by Nature Lab, Tokyo, and I run that through the hair. Also, I take my Foxy Bay paddle brush, and then with the conditioner still in the hair, I'll go through with the brush and detangle my hair just to make it easier while I blow dry. My number one way to get the straightest and smoothest hair for straightening is to use a deep conditioner. So I'm taking the Foxy Bay's Don't Hate Hydrate hair mask. I'm taking a packet. This also comes with 8 packets. And I'm putting the complete packet in my hair and setting my timer for 5 minutes and just letting my hair sit while I go do something. Okay, once the timer goes off, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair and then put it onto my wig headstand. And then I'm going to be taking the Foxy Bay's Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray and spraying it all over my baby before I blow dry. So I really start off by blow drying my hair, and I like to section all of my hairs into the tracks and layers, so I take it from the bottom up. I'm just blow drying my hair, and I put on the hottest setting because I like my hair super straight. So the best way to the best straighten is to have the best blowout. And commercial break for our special guest. The moment you've all been waiting for. This is the new Foxy Bay Rose Gold Marble Straightener, and oh my gosh, she is to die for. Also, once again, y'all can get money off at checkout using my code foxysummer. Again, I do want to let you guys know that this flat iron only has an on and off button, but it gets up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which is safe enough to straighten your hair, get as straight as you want, but also not damaging or causing any heat damage to your hair. But once again, I am taking that heat protectant and putting it all over my strips of hair. And just like I did with blow drying, I'm going to take each track and straighten that way. And I like to go back and forth over with the straightener, my brush, and my comb. Okay, so basically my phone case and the straightener match. That's cool. I'll leave a link for the case below as well. But I'm just going to pick up this random piece and show you guys, look how straight and shiny and smooth my hair looks. To finish off my wig, I'm just going to move all the way to the top and keep picking up random pieces and then straightening and following it with my rat tail comb. And to finish, I'm using the Garnier Sleek and Shine Serum. I do like a pump or two in my hand and run it all over my hair, especially because my hair has highlights, bleach highlights. This also keeps my hair shiny and not looking, just crunchy and dry. So it adds some moisture back into the hair. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said before, you can use my code foxysummer and you can get 60% off, which is a lot of money. So go ahead and enjoy, and thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you next time. Bye.